In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create personas using Suno AI Music 5 minutes. A persona in Suno AI is a reusable profile that captures the sound, mood, and stylistic choices behind a track, so you can recreate that vibe on demand. It's a great way to keep your music consistent across projects or collaborate without rewriting prompts every time. First, log into Suno AI. Once you're on the dashboard, head to your library where all your generated tracks are stored. Pick a song that really represents the style you want to bottle up. Next to that song, click the three dots to open the context menu. Hover over Create, then choose Make Persona. This option is available with a pro plan, so if you don't see it, check your subscription. You'll land in the customization view where the magic happens. Start by naming your persona. Choose a short, memorable name that signals the sound, like dreamy indie pop or dark cinematic bass. Add an avatar that visually hints at the vibe. Choose an image that's clear and on brand so it's easy to spot later. In the description, explain the signature characteristics that define this sound. Think in concise, concrete terms: genre, mood, tempo, feel, key instruments, production notes, vocal tone, and any hallmark techniques. Phrases like warm analog synths, tight acoustic drums, melancholic vocals with light reverb, or high energy 140 BPM club feel help Suno capture your intent. Keep it focused and consistent with the source track you selected so the persona reflects a coherent style. Set the privacy level that fits your needs. Private keeps it for your use while you iterate. Public makes it discoverable if you're ready to share your sound with others. When everything looks good, click Save to create the persona. From now on, when you create a new song, open the persona dropdown and select your saved persona. Suno AI will automatically apply its style, genre feel, energy, vocal character, instrumentation cues, and other preferences, so you start from a reliable baseline every time. You can still tweak your prompt, lyrics, or instruments after selecting the persona to nudge it in the right direction without losing your core identity. If results drift, refine the description with tighter language or remove conflicting adjectives. Choose names you'll remember, keep visuals consistent, and write descriptions that emphasize what matters most. Most importantly, start from a strong source track because the persona inherits its core DNA. And that's it. Log in, open your library, use the three dot menu, hover Create, select Make Persona, customize, save, and then pick your persona from the dropdown on new tracks. You'll have a repeatable sonic identity that speeds up your workflow and keeps your music cohesive.